The Heybike Electric Bike for Adults Ranger 2.0 stands out in the burgeoning market of e-bikes, particularly for those seeking a combination of power, versatility, and comfort. With its robust design and impressive specifications, this bike is tailored for both urban commuting and rugged trail adventures. After extensive use, it's clear that the Ranger 2.0 is a compelling choice for a variety of riders. At the heart of the Heybike Ranger 2.0 is its powerful 1400W peak motor, which delivers an exhilarating ride. The motor provides enough torque for steep inclines and ensures smooth acceleration, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced riders. With a maximum speed of approximately 28 miles per hour, the Ranger 2.0 is ideal for those looking to hit the trails or zip through city streets. The bike's pedal assist and throttle modes offer flexibility, allowing riders to choose their level of exertion based on the terrain and their personal energy levels. This adaptability is one of the bike's standout features, catering to a wide range of riding preferences. The frame of the Ranger 2.0 is built from high-quality aluminum alloy, which ensures durability without adding excessive weight. Weighing around 70 pounds, it may not be the lightest bike on the market, but its sturdy construction gives riders confidence when tackling rough paths or uneven roads. The bike's design includes a step-through frame, making it easy for riders of all heights to mount and dismount comfortably. The adjustable seat is another thoughtful feature, allowing riders to customize their riding position for maximum comfort during long rides. One of the most impressive aspects of the Ranger 2.0 is its battery life. Equipped with a 48V20L lithium-ion battery, the bike offers a remarkable range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, depending on the mode used in riding conditions. This makes it an excellent choice for commuters looking to cover significant distances without the hassle of frequent recharging. Furthermore, the battery is removable, allowing for convenient charging at home or in the office, an essential feature for urban riders. When it comes to safety and control, the Ranger 2.0 does not disappoint. The bike features a hydraulic disc brake system, providing strong and reliable stopping power even in wet conditions. This is especially crucial for those who ride in urban settings with fluctuating weather or on hilly terrains where quick deceleration may be necessary. The bike also comes equipped with front and rear lights, enhancing visibility during nighttime rides, thus ensuring riders are well seen by others. Riding comfort is further enhanced by the Ranger 2.0's suspension system. The front suspension fork absorbs shocks from bumps and rough terrain, ensuring a smooth ride. The large 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires not only add to the stability of the bike but also improve traction on various surfaces, whether it's gravel, sand, or snow. This versatility is a significant advantage for those looking to explore different environments without worrying about tire performance. In terms of technological features, the Heybike Ranger 2.0 is equipped with an LCD display that provides all the essential information at a glance: speed, battery level, distance traveled, and more. This allows riders to stay informed and adjust their riding style accordingly, especially when planning longer journeys. The bike also includes a USB port, enabling riders to charge their devices on the go, a thoughtful addition for tech-savvy users. While the Ranger 2.0 is packed with impressive features, it does have a few minor drawbacks. The assembly process can be somewhat daunting, particularly for those who are not mechanically inclined. Although the bike comes mostly assembled, some riders may find themselves challenged by the final setup. Additionally, while the bike's weight contributes to its stability, it may pose a challenge for some users when lifting or transporting it. Overall, the Heybike Electric Bike for Adults Ranger 2.0 offers a compelling blend of power, comfort, and versatility. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring local trails, or simply enjoying a leisurely